Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy stock on Robinhood after hours. Open Robinhood, tap Trade, search the ticker, then select Buy and choose Extended Hours Trading before confirming your order. Make sure you set a limit order to control your price, review estimated fees, and confirm daylight saving times for market sessions. Practice with small amounts first and check news that can move prices after hours regularly. Start by finding the ticker and tapping Buy to open the order ticket. Choose Limit Order so you control the execution price, then toggle the Extended Hours option to include after-hours sessions. Enter the number of shares, review estimated fees, and double-check your limit price before submitting. Remember that orders may partially fill, and that fills can occur at prices different than regular market hours. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical videos. Quick recommendation: grab the new Kindle Paperwhite to read market news and research anywhere, with a crisp display and reliable battery life that makes late-night reading easy. Check the video description for the link and other deals. It's a handy add-on for investors. Now let's get back to the video. After-hours trading has unique risks, so be cautious and deliberate when placing trades. Use limit orders to avoid surprising fills, and expect wider spreads plus lower volume that can increase price volatility. Monitor news and earnings that often move stocks outside regular hours, and consider starting with small positions to learn how fills and partial executions work before scaling up your size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.